Now, the Law Society of Kenya has flagged a quack advocate who has been operating within Nairobi and the Thika law courts. Brian Mwenda has handled high-profile cases in court despite not having a certificate to practice law. The Law Society of Kenya disclosed that Brian Mwenda impersonated an advocate, Brian Ntwiga, who is an actual member, and infiltrated the LSK portal to make the changes. Brian Nyambura reports.
Your Honor, my name is Brian Mwenda. Brian Mwenda.
This proceedings captured at the Makadara Law Courts by KTN a few months ago.
I would like to bring the court to the attention of the affidavit, the supporting affidavit of CIP Kemboi Rob.
Shows Brian Mwenda's confidence and effectiveness in court.
To number 4, indicates paragraph 4.
His aura of authority and command, hiding his lack of credentials to engage the court at advocate level. The Law Society of Kenya has outed Brian Mwenda as a fake advocate.
We can confirm that we do not have an advocate by the masquerader Brian Mwenda. What we have is another advocate by the name Brian Ntwiga, who was admitted in 2022 but had not taken out a practicing certificate.
LSK revealed that they got wind of Mwenda's deception in September this year when the fake advocate stole the identity of Brian Ntwiga, who was admitted to the bar in August 2022. According to LSK, the advocate did not require a practicing certificate since he worked at the office of the Attorney General. LSK, in a statement, said Brian Mwenda attempted to log into the LSK portal and apply for a practicing certificate, and even alerted the ICT personnel when he was denied access to the membership portal. The LSK teams would then notify him that the details recorded in the system did not match his.
There will be consequences for his identity fraud. There will be consequences for his masquerading as an advocate, and he faces a lengthy period in jail because we have enough evidence to nail him for the offenses that he has committed.
Brian Mwenda has been practicing as an advocate of the High Court and handled numerous cases, including high-profile legal matters. On the second day of October, for instance, he made his way to the Thika law courts, where a land fraud case was ongoing in Court 1. Mwenda sought to be enjoined in the case as an advocate for the victims.
Munasikia, lakini mmeelewa. Mr. Mwenda, you're burning to say something.
I, however, couldn't address the court because the IOB informed me that they have a chairman, and the chairman had not consented to me watching brief for the complainant.
Yes.
I, however, had the consent of the one that is leading, the ones that are in court.
Okay.
The Law Society of Kenya wants him to be apprehended and charged for committing crimes related to impersonation.
As of now, we would want to first urge him to present himself to the nearest police station because even if he runs, he cannot hide.
According to LSK President Eric Theuri, Brian has reportedly associated with lawyers and advocates in various instances over the years, creating a rapport with them, and is constantly seen attending LSK meetings, where his strong personality played out. In this amateur video, Brian is caught up in an altercation with police, and he introduces himself as an advocate.
An aura of reliability, and people felt that he is an advocate until when we discovered that he is not an advocate.
In a statement shared on social media, Kotu Secretary General Francis Atwoli pledged support for Brian Mwenda, adding that the government should hasten the process of launching the recognition of prior learning policy, which seeks to acknowledge the skills and competencies of individuals who are in the formal or informal sectors. Brian Nyambura, Citizen TV.